to get 1,000 coins and 1,000 keys inside Subway Surf World Mumbai Tour. Yeah, I know this is not the exact version, but it will only work on this one. So download the one under this the description down below. If not, you can just keep your Subway Surf and download the one down below, because it from your Subway Surf it's gonna be a different one. So let's get started. And come on. I hate loads. I hate it when they load, but serious. Oh, the case. Oh my gosh. Okay. So tap to play. And what you gonna do? You're just gonna like die right here. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hate ads, especially girly ones. So we're gonna click home. Okay, I think you need to do the so we're gonna do the tour first. I don't know what this thing is called. Okay, yeah, it was working. Oh my god, it's embarrassing. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this first. Swipe down. Finally! Oh my god! There, go down.
I used to do that.
Yeah, and these are my cousins. Oh my god, there's a lot of them in the game. So we're gonna double tap. As you can see, I only have 2 hoverboard, but wait, here's the trick to get 1,000. Oh my gosh, just die! You just need to die. Just do the tour, and then you need to die. And then just wait for it. Oh, I don't care. As you right here, right over here, 1,000 keys and 1,000,000 coins. And home, if you go to the character. As you can see, you'll have all of this, all of. Look at all these characters.
They're all
Look at
open.
it. Look at that. They're all open. And you go to the board and see. Look at all the boards unlocked.
They're all open.
Well, yeah. Let's go ahead and take the Daredevil. But wait. I think you guys are asking, wait, how about the game first? Well, I'll show you. So what you need to do is, come on, you're just gonna have to go to Play Store right here. Play Store. If you don't have a Play Store, just go to the Apple thingy. If you have an iPhone and stuff like that, and the iOS. And is the internet okay? Then you're gonna want to download this app, Guide Subway Surf, and it has this picture right here. And and if you open it up, you'll have 1,000,000 coins and 1,000 coins, and like I don't know how to transfer it to the other to the real app, but this is all I know. You just have to download Guide Subway Surf, and when you open it up, come on. Hurry. Yeah, there it is. See? Then you'll see all the characters. I mean, it looks like the real version to me. And
another.
yeah, all the clothes are up there. My sister, yeah, she's my cousin. Let's buy this. Oh yeah, just for one thing, if you didn't notice, the coins, if you buy something, it'll be like 1,000. And Frank, let's go ahead and buy all this outfits. 30, boy. Let's go. I don't like their intro music. Oh, this is Frizzy. Let's buy her Rasta and the gold outfit. Let's buy his outfit. Lucy. Put that ski outfit. Yeah, I actually kind of like the ninja, like, in my opinion. Leave a comment down below what's your favorite. And for these guys right here, they don't have an outfit because, like, you know, the parents. I can't explain it. Just whatever. Just forget it. Wait, fresh. This is fresh. 25 unlock.
Oh, I know.
She wants too much. Ooh, look at all these outfits. Boy, let's go. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose. I actually kind of like his yeah. I don't know what happened. Oh, there it is. The star. Donald, get away from me! Oh my gosh, I don't know, but this dude is coming. So Roberto.
Yeah. Yay, where is it?
Counts outfit. Yeah, like I said, I like the ninja. So like, oh, does it have the suit? Oh no, does it have my favorite?
No.
Here's Prince K. He's actually rich. Oh, let's see what hoverboard. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm just gonna lose on that one. So
You gotta get more skateboards.
I know.
You gotta get the skateboard.
Wait, Tina. So, do you guys want a Daredevil? I'll be doing a next video and leave on the comments below if you guys want to have the Daredevil or the hot rod because or the bouncer and all these stuff and the the chickie, all these stuff. If you guys want it, just leave a comment down below and just give me yours. Wait, what does the freestyler do? Okay, nothing. Um, I have no clue. Like, there's a lot of skateboards I'm gonna choose. Yeah, let's go ahead and choose the hot rod. Wait, what is this? Okay,
Sammy, what are you doing?
let's go ahead and use it. Here's my last one.
Oh man,
Oh, I like how he I wish I have a skateboard like that. You guys wish? Yeah. You guys know that I wish? Yeah. I wish I had. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video and yeah, basically that's it. Thank you very much and bye bye. See you on my next video.